Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, we're going to talk about the ELIF statement. If you haven't watched the previous episodes on if and else statements, please do so because they are necessary for this session. So, what does the ELIF statement do? If you pay attention, the ELIF statement is an abbreviation for if and else. This statement means that it first checks the if statement, and if it is not met, it then checks the ELIF statement if none of them are met. It does what we wrote in the else statement. In contrast, if we use multiple if statements, it will execute whichever one is applicable. Let's get to coding. We want to write a program that first asks the user for their age. Then, if it is greater than 18, it writes you are an adult. If this condition is not met, it checks another condition. If the user is older than 13, it writes you are a teenager. Otherwise, it writes you are a child. Let's start writing the code. First, we open the Tony program and write a variable that asks for the age. Then, we define the variable as integer, which we will discuss in future episodes. Next, we write a condition that checks if the age is greater than 18 years old. If it is, it writes you are an adult. Now, let's write our new code. We use the ELIF statement and remember to delete the space so that it is not considered part of the if statement. After writing ELIF, we write our condition exactly like the if statement and don't forget the colon. This is because it is a condition, and the space between the next line and the colon indicates that these codes belong to this condition. Then, we write else and write you are a child. Now, let's test the program. We enter a number greater than 13, and as you can see, it works correctly. Now, let's move on to the challenges. Challenge 1. Write a program to identify the season using two ELIF statements. Challenge 2. Write a program to calculate students' grades using multiple ELIF statements. The program should receive the student's grade between 0 and 100 and evaluate it based on a B, C, and D. Thank you for watching this video. I would be happy if you visit my channel and subscribe. See you in the next episodes.